following content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. This content should not be taken as medical advice.
Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is earwax removal vlog number 144. In today's episode, you're going to watch me remove impacted wax from both ears on the same patient. This wax is severely impacted and this patient reported having earplugs in their ears. Mentioning that, while you watch, we're actually going to talk about the importance of hearing protection, why it's important, and some of the different types of hearing protection. As I've told you from the beginning, my goal on this channel is to educate and entertain. None of this should be taken as medical advice. As we look down this patient's ear, you could see that there is a wall of wax, and we're using the curette to get through it and get this patient's ear opened up. Since they said it sounded like they had an earplug in, it made me wonder how many people actually know why we use hearing protection. Everyday sounds like lawnmowers, concerts, power tools, and a whole bunch of other things, such as motorcycles, firearms, actually produce loud enough sounds that they can cause harm to your hearing. We want to protect the hearing by using earplugs or hearing protection in order to dampen the sound and prevent permanent hearing loss. Unfortunately, it only takes one major noise event to induce unchangeable hearing loss. Yes, it can take just one event of extremely loud noise, such as a concert, to induce permanent hearing loss. Okay, so what are the different types of hearing protection? Well, first, there's the non-custom foam plugs. These have their advantages and their disadvantages. First of all, they have a rating where they can reduce the volume by up to about 30 decibels. That's pretty good when they're inserted properly. This means that you need to take that little foam plug, squish it down really well, and get it all the way in the ear canal. A lot of times people feel like this is actually going too far, and they don't like the way that it feels because it's a little bit full in their ears. These are great for short term. If you're mowing the lawn or doing something that's going to be a quick hit, it's a great way to protect your hearing. On the other hand, the next step up would be filtered earplugs. These are non-custom still, and they operate on a filter-based system to help to attenuate the sound and improve the clarity for things like concerts. These are really used by a lot of different people when it comes to concerts or other communication areas where you know there's going to be a lot of noise. Let's say you go to a sporting event with a group of people and you want to be able to talk to the person next to you, but don't want the crowd noise to be so overwhelming that you're having difficulty with your hearing. It's a very good way to filter out some of the noise and give you some of the fidelity. Next would be custom earplugs. Now these come in a couple of different models. For instance, they have solid earplugs, which are great for impact noises such as shooting, and then they have what we call musician's plugs, which are custom plugs with filters that actually flatly attenuate sound across all frequencies. The advantage to the musician's plugs is they do keep the fidelity of sound and allow you to really enjoy the music and the communication while reducing the amount of background noise that you're hearing. It allows you to spend more time in a noisier environment with less risk of damage to your hearing. And since most of the damage that's done during these concerts or other really noisy events is actually permanent in nature, it's really important to go through that. Finally, they have electronic protection. This is primarily used for shooting. For example, you can be listening to somebody at a normal volume, you hear the impact noise of either an air hammer or an air tool or a gun or something like that, and all of a sudden it will clamp down on the sound. By clamping down on the sound, it reduces the amount of volume getting down to the eardrum and then into the auditory system and actually prevents hearing loss. These electronic systems are quite a bit more expensive, but they are great for hunters or avid shooters or even people that work with a lot of power tools such as mechanics. Finally, why do we bother with this? Well, we need to bother with this shooting protection, hearing protection, musicians' plugs, and different other types of earplugs because if we can prevent this hearing loss from occurring, you can prevent a lifetime worth of treatment. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of the cure. It is time for you to have your hearing checked. If you've not had your hearing checked in many years, visit your hearing healthcare professional. Get your hearing checked. And remember, it is important that you protect what you have. Even if you already have a hearing loss, that doesn't mean that you don't need to wear hearing protection. Just because you have hearing loss, it does not mean that it can't get worse. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.